For your consideration, this is fully working Sony front load direct drive PS-FL9 programmable turntable. You can select what track you want, hit play, it retracts, scans to the song, and begins. This is very cool. Has a brand new cartridge and stylus just installed. It does have stacking marks and scratches, as you can see. The faceplate is quite presentable. Very few marks in the plastic front. This is fully tested and in full working order. All lights and all functions. Cue lift, transport, everything. And how cool is that?